The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
Intende, who share MP before TikTok and Facebook? What they will tell you say, Bawumia say a bar, the Adibaya judge for no. Bawumia say a bar, the Adibaya police for no. Bawumia says a CIA police for no, any judge for no, and see, Omuna into Bawumia is telling the base, he's feeding them red meat. After all these things, share the Ebano, and at the noun, the adjective, the verb, the consonants, and the sentence, Mahmoud Bawumia ebe release a letter, a statement about Abronye action. And I've told you, he's the sponsor of Abronye, going after Kennedy Japan, going after some people in the MPP. Mahmoud Bawumia is the sponsor of all the serial callers who are on social media denigrating people in the MPP. Fanti comedy, say Obama, sa girl nan who fino. He is the one who is funding them. Abronye ohia TV Mahmoud Bawumia ni tuyaka and set it up mano. He feels to say one of his communicators who he always makes sure say he does the jandam for him. No, he has been arrested, so he felt he needed to talk. But there's something in Bawumia's speech, and Busa Ghana for say after analyzing or reading Bawumia's speech, Busa say is Bawumia mentally stable? Because there's something there that he deliberately did. So what kind of Bawumia's speech now? You will see that the verb tried to do something in his speech. You will realize that the consonant, the adjective called Bawumia, he did something deliberately in his speech. And I'll point that out to you. Miriam Makacha will say, there is a reason why I believe, I don't have evidence. I'm asking that question, say, is Bawumia mentally stable? It's a question. Don't take me out of context. I'm asking a question. I am not making an emphatic statement. I'm saying, after reading this, I will ask if Mahamudu, the consonant, the adjective, the verb Bawumia, is mentally stable. Let's read Bawumia's letter. Team, stay with me, please. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, democracy and free speech under siege. I have observed with great concern the endless assaults on the fundamental rights of officers, activists, and supporters of the new patriotic party across the country by this National Democratic Congress government. Or say, what na say? Ednenia to form ashada ashe senia nyoma bi eko ohuni se ono ne officers omo ne party mu eye sebio eye omo kasama no sebio omo ye MPP supporters omo di party de chi no o se odinania to form enya abotre etietie form e de na adwene e di nyoma bi achi ehu se NDC Abanwe Oma sheda ena oma to oma dwum anase oma si oma dwum pi say omo betata MPP fo omo mu di nechi omo mo kasama no omo di dwuma no omo mo support party no o say NDC Abanwe odi na ni toto fo wo say Abanwe abon dwum po esiri trimu pi say omo betata omo a omo di ne party nechi ene ne nkofo ne nkwara sebio ono ede ni sika hwe omo mo di dwuma no. Paragraph 2. These attacks, arrests, detentions, and unconscionable bail conditions have been a persistent feature of the NDC government since they took office on the 7th of January 2025. I see. The verb said, I say, sa achichi. Any sebio, nenkofo edom kojina quarter, yadi bail akesiye swarmo, any senya, nyome bi enkoye wo courtroom sa, yadi di nenkofo no, or say sa de rodenia to forma NDC ba power no, adia eda omakuma swa omo yeno no. Mijujom, ote brofo chemi ya kubie u page, na chile. Paragraph 3. The latest of such acts of intimidation has been the arrest, detention, and subsequent release of David Isando for lamenting on social media about the return of Dumso and the bizarre decision to put the NPP Bono Regional Chairman Kwame Abronye into custody. Or say, the latest of such acts of intimidation has been the arrest, detention, and subsequent release of David Isando for lamenting on social media about the return of Dumso. Or say, Andre ya nyina ye hubi. Senia Bono eye omo nipa ba ko a oye de regional eye the position Isando no for lamenting on social media and bizarre decision. Okay. Or say Andre ya encheye ena MPP ni a ono so ye adwuma obono okoka nsem bi o social media efa dum so ho a ye che no ko hyemu ena ye sa che eye den Abronye so akohyem o say Isando no okoka nsem bi fa dum so ho a ono de ohun se enya problem bia but ohun se ya che abrante no eyi no ena ya sa biem ya sa che Abronye into akan yupa mienu asem. But you see the most interesting thing about the third paragraph. Or say, yachi bunu ni no. Sa nipa na ye friend David Isando no yachi no. Die no koye ye o kire the David Isando aye. O kire say David Isando no okoka nsem bi o social media. Efa adum so ho ene ye chi ni ko hyemu ene ye yi no. But won say edru Abronye so no. Wan ka boni a Abronye ye. But all that he said was that MPP Bono Regional Chairman Kwame Abronye into custody. Or say, and the bizarre decision to put the MPP Bono Regional Chairman Kwame Abronye into custody. On say, Edu Isando no sono or chire boni potia emayachi Isando ko shemu. But Edu Abronye sono or say a bizarre decision to put the NPP Bono Regional Chairman Kwame Abronye into police custody. He refrained or training free Bonia Abronye dia a Maniko police station. Ana a mayor remandeno. Anytime we say Mahamudu Bawumia no lead the MPP no, is he mentally sound? It's a question. Because if you want us to listen to your case, if you have had that energy and audacity and intelligence to tell us what the Isando guy did, what stopped Bawumia from telling the people going to read this statement? He want to create an impression, say, Obi di boni etiano ene ne partner. What stopped him from telling the world what exactly Abronye did in Tia? You said, say, he was put into police custody. Abronye said, onye felelebo. It should tell you something. Mahmoud Bawumia, deliberately, he wants to act like he's a fool, but he's not. He's playing politics. This is pure politics. He is not a patriot. He is not a statesman. Bawumia is a selfish foot soldier who does not care about the act, the law, what actually protects this land. He is a cheap politician. So you see what he was trying to do? He mentions Isando. He mentions what he did. But when he came to Abronye, because Mahmoud Bawumia knows that Abronye has committed a crime, on to mean defending T, he decided to leave that part blank. And anything Amibusa will say, is Bawumia mentally sound? It's a question. Because I'm reading the letter as a flag bearer of a political party, a former vice president, somebody they hail as an intelligent leader. I'm asking, what will make him decide not to explain Abronye's arrest to us? Just to tell us Abronye was put in police custody. Because Sanka Isando diano one said the Isando yeah one said the Abronye yeah Kamaka so okay. But if you have been able to tell us what Isando did and was given bail, you should be able to tell us what Abronye did for him to end up in jail. But you see, this is a cheap, low-minded. This guy is a cheap-minded, fake-ass nigger who is pretending to be a politician. The reason why I say that is that he is even misinforming in his own letter. Because Odim say MPP for do one kind omo Jimmy. So in the letter, he is misinforming Ghanaians. He is hiding the truth. He's covering it up, all for political expediency. He thinks to say, Jimmy, 1992. This is somebody who wants to lead the country. Somebody who wants us to say he has integrity. Somebody or person on yet truffer. This is a man who wants to prove to us, say, he's worth leading this nation and that he has integrity. Is that integrity? Is this thing you are seeing integrity? But no problem. Let's move on. Paragraph 4. Or say, these actions undermine free speech and are setting Ghana's democracy backwards. Or say, Abronye na ye chine na ono Bawumia to membie na nwanka the Abronye ye no. And e sound on ye chine no. In fact, Ghana kebi mamin kebi no NDC say no. Ojinso biye Jimmy Samira. That is what he thinks. Okay, letter now, or say, I condemn in the strongest of terms the unholy collaboration between the executive, state investigative agencies, and some elements within the judiciary to use intimidation and harassment to silence members of the New Patriotic Party. Or say, or kasetia president no, or so akasetia the various state agencies, security agencies are omuyo. This is a man who wants to lead Ghana. This is a man who wants to lead Ghana. He is in opposition and he is telling us to say he is warning the president. He is basically warning the investigative agencies. He went on to say he is also warning some of the judges in our judiciary. And that he feels say they have all come together to harass another party for. So he said the executive, the various security agencies that he has had before. He used to be the head of the police council. Today, he's telling us the same police that he was the head of in the council. No? He's telling us that they are the people who are collaborating with agencies who were protecting him. The national security, the Yokos, the investigative agency that gave him protection for 8 years, protected him, his wife, his father, his mother, his family, his girlfriends. He's now telling us that those agencies, they have collaborated to come after his party people. These are the same agencies this verb wants to come and lead in 2028. Now, what kind of letter and then dangerous no? Transem your kind. Bawumia say, I therefore serve notice or say me tonkra ediama nipa wemo. He's warning them. Bawumia say or warning nipa bi yentie di oka. Or say I hereby serve notice me tomonkra. Me warn mo. Or say I hereby serve notice to officers of the state who are active participants in this unholy enterprise, that the day of accountability will come and the abuse of state power will be accounted for. Or say, or warning security agencies, judges, the executive, also catch them say, or ti omu warning, onim say, oma kabutia bom, and omu bo dream. Omubo krono and omo tieti ne nkofa fa ahodie so na sebio omo teti omo na ono de o hye omo bo o woni omo se enche obenya tumi na onya tumi a obekire omo se oyetani. Mahmoud Bawumia is in opposition. He has been in opposition for just a year and 4 months, and he's warning the police, he's warning the judiciary, he's warning the executive. He's telling them, say, mon chain na me be president. You will see what I will do. Or see, the day of accountability. Or one can start drawing a line or hodada. Or nipe bi omushe ni tima. Why na ajuni so be di omu bone. That is what this means. Or see, I therefore serve notice to officers of the state. It means every single officer in the Ghana Police Service, every single officer in the Ghana military, every single officer in Navy, every single officer in any of the state agencies, or the one in a ma omunyina. Now, catch them say, or no Bawumia 2028 obedi president nipe bi adwini shedi tirima obedi omoboni. Because if you don't think anybody is committing a crime, you will not ask for accountability. It is only when you believe in your heart and in your head and in your wisdom that there's somebody in the security agency working against you, and you are coming for accountability, because to you, where you sit, they are enemies of the state. Intende Mahmoud Bawumia eti opposition and all wanted the security agencies in Ghana. And you see, what makes it so dangerous, and they say, he didn't just warn the security agencies. Before that, he had first warned the judiciary. Mahmoud Bawumia is in opposition and warning the courts and warning judges, sending a message to them, say about power, I am going to come after you. How different is Bawumia from Ekufuado? Because Ekufuado, they are apprentice, Bawumia. For 8 years, now Bawumia na any senior apprentice. So you see, Nanado Danko Ekufuado before 2016, Okotna Peace FM, Kwame Sefa kind of catch the Ghana for say. So 2016 when we need election now, or person making sure say Arab Spring is see. Or share youth, you know. Say if he does not win, I won't say Krono. And that is what he went to do at Peace FM. You see what Bawumia is doing? He is learning from Nanado Danko Ekufuado. Right now, he is pitching the judiciary, the judges in Ghana, against the party for base. No? He is pitching Ghana Security Agency and the Bishop Police Atade, no share MPP near. They can kill the police officer because the leader of the party has said that these are people who are our target when we get power. And as we speak, every police officer is in danger. Every judiciary person, lawyer, judge, every judge is in danger. Even the executive, Bawumia is sending red meat out. Say, from today, the police is the enemy of the NPP. Today, the military is the enemy of the NPP. Today, judges are more Ghana, from what Bawumia just said, or catch any base and they say, the judges are your enemies. Whatever you want to do, because Waka or say Onya Tumia, he knows what he will do to them. And that is the message Mahmoud Bawumia is sending to the MPP base. Into China, now say attack judge or Adente Kuno, and a judge will stream, judge will Kumasia. It is what the leader of the party is sending across. Bawumia does not have to open his mouth and say, Mukoku judge for, Mukoku police for, Mukoku Yoko for, Mukoku national security. He is giving them codes. He is sending them signal. He is directing them what to do. Bawumia is pointing out his enemies to his base. That is what Mahmoud Bawumia is doing. The same thing Nana Danko Ekufuado did in 2016. He pointed the red meat. He showed the young people the red meat. You see Arab Spring. You saw what happened. You saw what the Arabian young people did. Do the same if I don't win in 2017. That is the same thing Bawumia is doing from opposition. He is selling red meat to the base. So it's here the tone now. I therefore serve notice. And a ginger MPP base, you know, the Delta Force for no. Because they say, catch them say, the next time you're there, bro, when you're back court, no, so the police is your enemy. The next time you're there, bro, Abronye back court, no, so the judge is your enemy. If you have anything to do, do it. And that is the message Mahmoud Bawumia is sending. This is politics. Your brain needs to be sharp to understand communication. And Bawumia is setting the Ghana police, the Ghana military, the judges up. He's setting all of them up. Intende? Who share MP before TikTok and Facebook? What they will tell you say, Bawumia say a bar. The Adibaya judge for no. Bawumia say a bar. The Adibaya police for no. Bawumia says a CID police for no. Any judge for no. Any say Omuna into Bawumia is telling the base. He's feeding them red meat. Go after the police. Go after the military. Go after the president. And go after the judges. These are the same people telling us, say, JJ Rollins be cool judges. You see what Bawumia is doing? He is playing the same 4-4-2 Nana Adodanko Ekufuado's footsteps. Because Ekufuado, the first apprentice on this planet is Mahmoud Bawumia. So don't see this statement as a joke. No. MPP for ready a deal, it has gingered them. Police as an enemy. They can kill a police officer any day. And I'm telling you, I'm prophesying, the NPP are going to start killing police. They are going to start killing judges. They are going to start killing, and the president needs to be protected because their leader is telling them. And he says, I therefore serve notice to officers of the state who are active participants, or say officers of the state, your police, national security, Yoko, Navy, Army, they are participants. He has concluded, he has made a conclusion. What MP before say, your police for, military for, national security for, that is the language he's sending out. So don't just read this and say it is vague. No, this is crazy statement. Mahmoud Bawumia is setting up the MPP against the state. Interne, we are police ni now. Now we share MP before three were a sumo mekun because only the Nedinkanka say you people have come together to fight against him. Okay, last paragraph now. That's what he says. To patriots, to patriots around the country. Oh, so we na or setting the police up or setting judges for the app or katu omutim say we can kill them. We can, because the statement, that is what it means. We all learn comprehension. I've been able to decipher, to break it down for you to get a clear understanding. After he set the judges up, he set the police up, he set up all the state agencies now. Or the omato red line muno. Owie no bema omusa a message of encouragement. Also to patriots around the country. Oh, right now he's calling all of them around the nation. He's now telling them that he has made the statement. Everybody should stand and make ready to do whatever he basically is saying. Into we not say, I am calling everybody around the nation. So it means everywhere there's a police officer, your life is in danger. Everywhere there is a judge, your life is in danger. Everywhere there's a national security officer, your life is in danger. He's now calling everybody. So basically, this is a call to duty. Sorry, it is time to go after the so-called state officers who are involved or participants. So he says this, to patriots around the country, I urge you all to stay firm. So how come military to stay firm? It means clock and wait. When you enter the military, that's like I say, stay firm. And now we share a group, a radical group. Now I say stay firm. It means take a stand and clock. It will be on edge, be on alert. Bawumia is decoding. He's saying things that you need to decode. He's desperate for power. Or say, stay firm by refusing to succumb to intimidation. Or say, MPP for more gun in Yinano. Monkamo tonchum. Eto ne kuta wa clocky. Sekana wa clocky. Now you're dang. Ne make it sure say, Obika so obe huna wa man penny. Wane hunu bi Ghana. Abronye dia wa ye no. Ghana mremuno. Who has said, say, ye tietia Abronye fa ahudie so. Abronye can sama to judge so. A flag bearer is telling his followers to stand firm and never succumb to the law. Meaning, he's setting them up for attack against the state. This is Mahmoud Bawumia, call of duty, calling them emredu. Because he has told people, if he does not win this 2028, he will nullify this democracy. Until he goes ahead, refusing to succumb to intimidation while continue your civic duty. In politics, when they say civic duty, it means make sure that you take revenge. Stand firm. Don't succumb to intimidation and perform your civic duty. Ontebrofo, this is basically a statement of war. He's setting his people up. Into so be what two of them, no a Delta Force in here, with Jinjano. Say they are bringing back quarter. They can stand by, stand firm, and if there's any little slack in our security, they'll gun somebody down. This is what Bawumia is building. So you go ahead and he says this. The patriots around the country, I urge you all to stay firm by refusing to succumb to intimidation while continuing your civic duty to hold the government accountable. Who is the government? The government is the military. The government is the police. The government is the judiciary. The government is you and me. So Bawumia is basically declaring war. Mahamudu Bawumia is declaring war indirectly. Why are the people supposed to hold the government accountable? What has the government done wrong? Because when you go into our laws, no law has been broken. But Abronye made a statement he needs to do what? He needs to provide evidence to. The judge has the right to put Abronye in remand or on remand or whatever you say. So what has the judge done? What has the police done? What has the executive done? What have they done that is against the law? Never trust Mahamudu Bawumia. He's basically preparing his base to commit a crime. Because Ochina, your Kokuk police Libya Obeka say NPP for the year tataye. But Udi Chena already the akana. Or see, this is a call to duty. Come and fight, prepare. Till the last statement, you know. We fought hard for this democracy. And as a party, we cannot surrender it to intimidation from those who possess temporary power today. This is basically go out there and take power. But how are you going to do it? Kill. Go after state agencies. Go after the court. Go after the judiciary. Make sure that we basically take over power. That's why he's saying that we fought hard for this democracy. At this point, who in Ghana has said that our democracy is being taken from anyone? Arresting Abronye for the things he has done, which the law clearly states that he has committed a crime. How can you say that our democracy basically is being taken away from us? Mahamudu Bawumia is gingering. He's telling the young people in the MPP that from now onwards, they can attack the police, they can attack the judiciary, they can attack the executive, and they can kill because today they believe. So basically, this is a revolutionary statement. Bawumia wants to destroy our democracy. And this is an opposition leader. That is why I keep asking. After reading this statement, I ask myself, is Bawumia mentally stable? There's a question mark behind it. Is he mentally stable? Now, or you're okay? Is this the man who wants us to hand over power to? Because you've already told us your intentions. This is Bawumia 101. That's why I keep asking, what is a Bawumia? This is all that he wants to come do. To me, this is what he wants to come do. Give power to his party base, attack the military, attack the police, go after the judiciary so that they will feel they have basically taken over power. That is what he's doing. Because you see, his last statement, people who are in power, it is temporal. Meaning they still don't admit that there's a government running this country. And that any day, any time, when they get the opportunity, they'll take out the president. They will take out the judiciary. This is an opposition leader who is dangerous. Do not joke with people like that. He's so desperate, he does not care if he's going to bring down the government to become president. And these are the words of a dangerous leader. So, how can anybody in Ghana today, a young person, get up and say, Mahamudu Bawumia, I can trust him with power? This guy has been in opposition just 1 year. Imagine being in opposition for 3 years. Do you know what he would do? He's been in opposition for 1 year and 4 months. Too. See the kind of statement, red meat he's putting out against the security agencies, against our almighty courts. Today, every judge is in danger. Because now, Bawumia, I catch the NPP for say, judge for your enemy to the NPP. Security agencies, right now, Bawumia has security protection from the government. The same person who is being protected by the government. Neyiri, protection from the government. Bawumia, protection from the government. These are the same police officers, national security people, taking Bawumia in and out, going to chase girls, taking Samira out, going to follow small boys, protecting Samira's father, the same Bawumia is telling them that they are enemies of the state. It means any day they can take care of those people. This is not a man anybody can trust. And today, someone say, is Mahamudu Bawumia mentally stable? Is it sound? Do you really need power? Do you want Ghanaians to trust you? Because your boss, your former boss, Ekufuado, was the same way. That's the same way he spoke. His actions were clear when he got power. And today you want us to give you power. And being in opposition for 1 year, these are the kind of statements you are putting out. Bawumia is not okay.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
You are live on Loud Silence TV. My name is Kevin Ekobedu Taylor. Inti asama ye kano. Mama yemfe ndi agro. You see, the Bawumia yesisiano. I will not be shocked to say the time I release this statement to will ginger MPP base now to the point to say they will start going after the security agencies. Because basically, Bawumia Kachom say don't care about being arrested. Go after them. That is what this statement means. And I will not be shocked. Say, Menawaka say, Omo activate social media, boys and girls, no. Say, Munko after the people. Put the people in a spot whereby you will attack them. And I know they are targeting police officers or more courts. Or more judge for them, or more targeted judge for. So you will see a lot of them putting out a lot of misinformation and disinformation, and even inciting people to go after people to kill them. I will not be shocked because you see, message now Bawumia edia to amomono. Wamomati said the police is your enemy. Anybody who is with the security agencies in Ghana, anytime you get them alone, go after them. So now their message, social media will be that let us target them. Let us now start spotting them, putting their pictures up, inciting the MPP base because your leader say we should get to work. We should stand firm. We should make sure the security agencies are our target. And I will not be shocked. Mr. S, Mr. P, get me something. I will not be shocked. Menoka say, AB Crampa, ya picky, Bawumia, communicators, and I say, almost social media activists, on to come to put, because I know that, because I am part of the MPP. I know how the MPP reasons. In the because I'm a good MPP, and yes, I'm mechanical. I am part of the MPP. That is what we do. And I'm team the Abremno right now. See. My team, they just sent this to me. Mankanchiro. I told you. And I make it, yes. Mankanchiro, yeah. Thank you, Mr. S. Thank you, team. Asma you saw this afternoon. Time Abronye, you didn't echo remand. This is the man now. Oye security near or lead Abronye into a nekane de nekono. This man, I don't know him. I think he's a security agent. And also Oye Jumama, the security agency. This afternoon, man way and all guard preventing Kofo from touching Abronye. Oh, yes, see, my team just sent me. See what is happening. Bawumia set up his boys. Right now, you see, this guy, Okasama Bawumia, on social media. This guy started putting pictures out so people should go and kill the man. And the police are inviting him. And Justin Kodia, we meet at the CID headquarters in the morning. This is what Bawumia has created. This is what Bawumia has created. So on say Justin Kodia Dabeto, Yachi and Nupabako. It is what Bawumia has started. He's inciting the base against anybody who is seen at the court. Into right now, no, we a police officer. Now the Bawumia, what they Abronye backcourt and people, they are targeting the security agency. They want to go after them because the red meat in Bawumia has served them. And until you see this guy, Yachino. CID inviting him because he's inciting people on social media against that man and all protecting Abronye. No, me catch them, and they will kill. They don't care. This is the NPP. Mama come be Joe. This is the first time an NPP have opposition. They cannot use gendarme to come to power. That is why they are struggling. And let me tell you, at a point in our history, okay, I say, na me pese me koho time J Kufuor. Our power. Mokai ima ekunkum. Every day na obey wadaha. Every day na obey wadaha. That is what they did. And whatever they want to do to win power, no, Debiano is about creating confusion. Mokai sa Rollins Kufuor time no. I said obey wadaha. They were putting something in the heads of the people, and it was led by the NPP. Now, Bawumia Momu red meat. You see this guy, Nana Donyame, that is his name. Now, the CID, they have invited him. Now, Adebia wa year on social media, Biano, so police did go court near jail in 5 years. Mahmoud Bawumia basa catch the base, they say they should kill every person. So the CID board, they need to protect her. The IGP, they need to protect her. Every judge or take case, Bia Swa, Sebio, MPP, they need to protect them because Bawumia didn't set the tone, no. Also, they are crunching. Also, mastati. Also, they are invited back to Imbria. You see, the man now, he is a security man. He's part of the investigators. Investigating Abronye case. No, he's doing his job. Prosecutor the court. Now upia that prosecutor or police officer needs to be by you to protect you, to take you back to where Sebia Mufribaye. This man was doing his job. But you know something funny? Now Bawumia has told the base of the MPP. He just told them, go after everyone you can basically identify. This is what I'm talking about. This is what J.J. Rawlings was talking about. The NPP is a dangerous political party. And Bawumia has learned very well. Ekufuado the first apprentice de Bawumia. Adebia na uso Ekufuado hobia Bawumia won 2 times. So make kasa we the team say, see, boss, it has happened. They have started. And it's not going to stop now. Now they are getting their Delta Force boys on stand. I'm going to start here go after judges. They are going to go after police officers. I'm telling you, that's what they do. JJ Kasaya Muntie, they're not all cannot. See, these people cannot change. They are the same.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with. And they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We need to ride and override these people. They are building some kind of danger in Ghana. Bawumia is building something you might think is a joke. And we have to be careful. And Utie Bawumia, press freedom of speech is under threat. Masa, you can't freedom of speech, and as a press freedom, and a nipa kasabwa ye kashe yima. Why in the betina Ghana swa, or mutumika nipa kasabwa, send ye be kasa freely, or Ghana eshe nipa yemu. So, when you hear Bawumia make such a stupid statement, say, freedom of speech is under threat. Let's go back a little bit. I'm sure history. You see this? Press freedom. Ghana ranks 39th out of 180 countries in the 2026 World Press Freedom Index from 52nd in 2025. Mahmoud Bawumia mu free power. Now you're the 52nd. Now, let me show you senior MPP are buying Eka Ghana for Kasabwa show the media. Na nipan to me kasa. Everybody was relying on Kevin Taylor to speak from America. Journalists. Mamicho, before I go into press freedom, do you remember this? Bawumia, I will name answer. Do you remember this? 2022, Executive Director of ASEPA, February 2022, arrested for publishing false allegations regarding the use of the presidential jet. Mukai. And Bawumia, we are. Today he's saying what? I'm not going to be Kasa or Ghana. This is 2022. Bawumia was the head of the police council. Under the leadership of Bawumia, people were arrested just for doing what? Publishing. Saying things about the presidential jet. Mahmoud Bawumia and MPP are picking it up. Razak Avolia, February 2023. The NDC youth organizer of Swami constituency was arrested following viral video in which he incited political violence ahead of 2024 general elections. Bawumia picking up. I want you to understand, Bawumia, and tell me, say, is he mentally stable? This happened under him. That time when you can say, let the police work, let the judiciary work, let the system work. Kwesi Simpson, November 2021. A radio presenter was detained for publishing false news following a false kidnapping claim made by a listener who called into his program. Or yes, so no, be calling Sasama Okano, a yantro, and the Bawumia Yachi radio presenter. No. What are you talking about? And the Abronye Kojina court. Near Busan is all my evidence. That went to me, so Uncle Trim 2 weeks. Who have a letter catching the base of the MPP say they should go and attack the Ghana police, the Ghana judiciary. How dare you? You this verb. I can show you. Say Bawumia, is he mentally stable? David Tamaklo, WhatsApp News. October 2020, the managing editor was picked up by police after his platform published a story alleging that minority groups were being targeted during the voter registration. Yeah, Cheno. Is Abronye better than these people? That time, we were applying the same article, we were applying the same laws of Ghana. Why didn't anybody say we should go attack police officers? We should go attack the judiciary. We should go attack the president. Are you mad? Is this what you want to use to come rule Ghana? I know what is wrong with you? And you are inciting your base to go after the police, go after the judiciary, go after the president. Are you crazy? What kind of leader are you? You have been in that position before. What is all this happening to you? Desperation for power. So you want to just destroy everybody in your way? This is not leadership. This is madness. Let the system work. The time we're in power, you allow the system to work. Why can't we allow the system to work? Bongo ideas. There were so many people picked up. Did anybody fight you? Did anybody say you should go kill the president? Did anybody say you should go kill the judges? Did anybody say you should go kill police officers? And today, as an opposition leader, just 1 year, 4 months, John Mahama was in opposition for 8 years. Did you ever hear him make such a statement? Are you sick in your head? That's what I'm asking. Are you mentally deranged? It's a question. Why didn't you do? Are you okay? Let me show you. We are talking about press freedom in Ghana. I'm sure records, no? I'm showing you the fact. Number one, I say Bawumia is mentally not stable. Press freedom. And they could forward MPP and John Mahama NDC. Let me show you something. Press freedom. Ghana, 2025. Now you're 52nd position. And there you're 39th position. Share the records. Ghana World Press Freedom Index ranking. (2012), nothing was done. 2013, Ghana ranked 30th out of the 180 countries. 30th. It is improved. 2014, under John Mahama, Ghana went to 27th position. Ghana did better. They moved from 30th, they went to 27th position. Ghana did better, improved. In 2015, Ghana moved to 22nd World Press Freedom. Ghana moved from 27th to 22nd, 2015. People had the right to speak on radio and TV. Journalists were able to express themselves under John Mahama, the best ranking in the history of Ghana. I am not making these things up. Anytime we say Bawumia mentally stable. 2022, 2015, the best in the history of Ghana. Ghana moved to 22nd position. Ghana moved to the 22nd position. Maybe chira unyoman ne. Kwasi asam na mudi wa Ghana ho. MPP form kwasi asam. Maybe chira wa diebi. This is press. Bibiana ma chira wa diebi. Now let's move forward. 2016, Ghana moved from 22nd to 26th. That means we dropped again. That is declined slightly. We dropped from 22nd position. We came back to 26th. That was the year John Mahama's administration was going out of power. Make sure documents, you know. I'm speaking to facts here. Now, Ekufuado Bawumia come to power 2017. We go back to 26th. Nothing changed. John Mahama's last year or drop it from a year 22nd to 26th, no, Ekufuado Bawumia by nothing changed. They did not help, they did not destroy, and Omuja de Gum. Under you, Bawumia. 2017, we stood at 26th position. People were now beginning to get scared. Now, that is John Mahama's words. 26th now, 2016, 26th. 2017, 26th. 2018, then we came to 23rd. It jumped just 3 points. This is under Bawumia. Kai said the best ranking air 22nd position under John Mahama. That is 2015. Now we come to 2019. You jump from 23rd, then you go back to 27th position. 27th position. We declined to 27th position. Under you, Bawumia, press freedom. The press could not speak. 2019. We go to 27th position, 2019. Then you started going after the media. 2020, we went to 30th position. 2020, now they started attacking every media person. Today you are threatening the president, the judiciary, the Ghana security agencies. As a bottom, as an opposition leader, are you sick in your brains? It's a question. Are you sick in your brains? It's a question. Now, let me show you this. You can't, but I'm trying to put some things on the system before I move forward. Now, I'm Bawumia and the character, a very dangerous character. These are bad people. These are all the things that happen. Wait. I want to put some things on the screen first. These are all dangerous people. Now, we are going to move forward. We come to 2020, 2019, 27th, 2020, 30th, 2021. We go to 30th. They started going after media under Bawumia. 2022. We jumped all the way from 30th to 60th. You are telling me today, you get the opportunity to sit on TV to talk and say, freedom of speech is under attack. 2022, we moved all the way to 60th position. 60th. You picked from 22nd position, you dropped us 2022, 60th position. 2022, they were going after every media person in Ghana. People could not speak under Bawumia. Today, you are inciting your base to attack police, attack security agencies, attack judges as an opposition leader. And this time, say, are you mentally okay? Do you understand the democracy you live in? What you say? Now you come to 2023, it goes further down to 62nd position. These people picked press freedom at 22nd or 24th. They moved us all the way to 2024 to their 2023 62nd position. Press freedom was slaughtered. It was strangled under you. Hey. Now we come to 2024. We jump to 50th position. Still, very, very bad situation. Mahama Jano, 24th to the 26th. Mo di bear 5-6 years. Mo movie if you are bedru 2024. 50th position. The press could not speak. Arrested everybody. Obitu ko independence ko any action. Because for today you are saying freedom of speech is under what? Assault? You are crazy, eh? Now you go to 2025. You left it at 52. Mahama Baye 50th, Ebedu 52. And then as we talk, 2026 under John Dramani Mahama NDC, it has jumped all the way to 39th position. You are foolishly writing statements and telling us that freedom of speech is under attack. Are you sick? We have moved this thing from the 60th position, 52nd position to the 39th position under John Mahama, a year and 4 months. Then you sit there and we entertain, and you are rather telling your base to go after police officers, telling your base to go and attack judges, telling your base to go attack the president. Are you okay as a former vice president? How desperate are you to get power? How desperate are you, Bawumia? Now, Mame Kawade. What is this? This is under Mahamudu Bawumia. 4 years ago, Ghana court jails journalist Ohineba Boama Benny for contempt of court. Mukaisa case way. MPP, we all allowed the system to work. We all knew. Say, in Senebi Oha, na entwa ye. This particular case, yachiri at the audio to Abronye and so, and the Niko Jina court ni jail, you know. You, Bawumia, you were the vice president. I mention another one. Today you have the mouth to speak. Ghana police detains 2 City FM journalists, beat 1 in custody. They just went to Independence Square. All these people were under attack. People could not even film. Security zone. You beat people up. You, Bawumia, today you are inciting MPP base to go and attack president, attack the police, attack the judges. You, Bawumia. And you want to be president. President over who? Over the judges? Over the same police? President over who? Because the police you are inciting people to go after, are they the same police you want to be president over? The security agencies you are telling people to go after, are they the same people you want to be president over? This is Mahmoud Bawumia, and we always speak to facts on this platform. This, Sami Jemfi arrested, released on bail. But the law was working. Isn't the same law? Has anybody amended the law? So why are you today writing statement and telling your base to attack Ghana Police Service, attack the judges? Why are you doing that? What do you need? How can you be this silly? That's why I'm asking you. How can you be this silly? It's a question. Are you mentally deranged? It's a question. Are you mentally sound? It is a question. I'm asking you. Answer all these things. Verb. And this verb, this consonant, this adjective as a flag bearer in your position is basically inciting the young people against our democracy. What is that? Now, time away, see, why did we allow the system to work? What is wrong today? Abronye can summa to judge so. Yes, so me yano. When mama answer papa be so unko chiruma uko kwa pai because you are the sponsor of Abronye. Now you say Ghana mbra na ekede Japan. Ojen say Ghana mbra de odidi ekede Japan no. De mode ye ekede Japan no. Mudidi na tem eso abodam or you say all these are dirty dogs here. Ojen say Ghana mbra na ekede Japan na. Say Kennedy no so kasa. The law of the land needs to work. You deliberately destroyed an honorable man in your own party. O say Kennedy Japan. O say ne life nyina. O say that man kwara mo hu fin. Kennedy betuma show na cancel. O say that setting kwara way up. Go after Kennedy. Destroy Kennedy. Bring his kids. Bring his wife. You deliberately pumped money into young people to destroy Kennedy Japan. O say that say yes I know. I say my life. The man is destroyed. You destroyed the man because of power. Now you are telling us, say, the young people should get up and go after the security agencies. How can you do that? Ghana for Ghanaians. It is not personal, and I say my target will be you. It is basically to save you. Basically, to open your mind. I'm able to go into the minds of people who don't want Ghana to do well, who want to destroy our democracy. I'm able to let you understand how they reason. That is my job here. It is very difficult to be able to understand or read a politician. So when you get platforms like these, that is able to send you straight into the mind of a politician for you to know their real intent, you have to be very happy about it. And that is my job here. Every hidden agenda, every hidden plan. My job here is to expose it. All because I want to protect the democracy of this nation. Bawumia is the leader of the NPP in opposition. Not so many people just say, oh, Kennedy da, or by heart, Kennedy da, or the NPP anymore. Bawumia is dangerous. The NPP, they kill and laugh about it. They killed John Kuma. They killed JB Dankwa. They killed a lot of people. They don't even mention their names. So what you are seeing from Bawumia writing these things and putting out, it is something that a planning. These are people who are able to send Delta Force. They are militants against judges. And now, Refi, this is a political party that is able to send its militants against judges in Ghana. And I know Refi, sometimes, you know, I know per se, measure account once a mature, now I can't be. So, Samikacho say, what they are doing today, the message Bawumia is sending out today is dangerous. Don't joke with it. This is a political party that is able to send its own militant, Delta Force, to go after judges. So today, if the leader of the party is telling them to stand back and hold tight and not to cooperate and tell them that the security agencies are the enemies of the party, be very careful of that party. Mama Chow, sometimes you refine your mantem. This is the MPP. Mama Chow. We sit and we always forget what the MPP can do. It is always mistake to say free Bawumia. Don't underestimate it. Remember this. MPP Delta Force storm Kumasi Court. Free 13 suspects. These are the people Bawumia is talking to. Bawumia is basically speaking like a rebel leader. He's desperate for power. In Ghana, they were able to, a whole political party, their militant went into a courtroom, freed 13 people. Not judge it to not on him, not mamena in a miscarriage. You think it's a joke? And today, when their flag bearer is telling them that do not sit there idly, make sure you protect yourself against state agents. Do you think it's a joke? All these militants are still around. Some of them have guns, and this is what Bawumia is feeding them. So at a point, we had judges in Ghana court. They were scared of their lives. Judges panic over Delta Force attack in open court. Judges 2017, when the NPP took office, now Bawumia vice president, judges started getting scared. They didn't even want to go to court. Today, Bawumia is telling these same people to stand on standby, to be on standby, to target security agencies, because he is telling the people that these people are participants. The security, the executive, the judges. This happened before, and we have to make sure you think it's a joke? Personal. I am opening your mind. I have gone into the head of the MPP. Me MPP ni Jimmy D. Time Peter Ekonu say Yesu. Na otewa akoko bon ye. Sebio maami biti Yesu nchen. Maami ni hu say Peter. Yesu suanford ba akono. Maami ni kasa Abronye we binimu no. I say oni papa we nanam. Eho na Peter akoko bon prensa o ka say papa we minimu no. Na time Yesu ewu ya yade ne koto de tambu ni ma ade tin ya sebio okosoro no Mary Magdalene eko den ebuo ni ma ohu se Yesu den etu kosoro no obeka kire omo no oka se Petro munji mindi, because ono na di nani ehu aponcheni finsu ase beka kire se dan chemewu a mendi ni chim o se Petro munji mindi satana Peter munji Mary Magdalene di se okọ bebi yesi Yesu no na Yesu body ni ho, but na omo ho nyimba ma ni obi amfa ni hu se Yesu nda ho nti ono odi nani hu ye no ba se munji mindi munya den munji mindi me MPP ni card bearing member. Meaning kofo we atena, meaning oma som, meaning send your dwene. I know how dangerous they are. Do not underestimate the NPP. Mahmoud Bawumia are the first apprentice of a Kufuado. And if today the NPP cannot defend the Kufuado, then you have to be careful about the NPP and Mahmoud Bawumia. Debia Mekache Ghana for I am a messenger without a Bible or a Quran. It means my platform casts across religion. A messenger who is ready and willing. It means it casts across tribe. A messenger who is ready to speak truth to power. Let us all understand. We coming together, always reminding each other of what the MPP, Omodia Film Abedruha. We cannot make a mistake. And the NDC might fumble, they might make mistakes, but at the end of the day, it is always a better option than the killing machine.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. the nature of who they are. Listen. Munjie, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjie, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.